Today we are going to draw and color ice cream which starts from the letter I. So the materials we need are an eraser, a pencil, a black sketch pen, a scale and some colors. So let's start. First we will draw a cone shape which is like an upside down triangle like this, and then we will draw a big circle above it. And then we will first draw vertical lines like this facing the left side till the end, and then we will make lines, and then we will make vertical lines facing the right side. So then we will get like this. Now we will black sketch pen. Now we will outline this with a black sketch pen. This. For the cone, I will take skin color . For this part, you can take different colors because in an ice cream there are different flavors. So if you want strawberry, you can color it pink. If you want chocolate, you can color it brown, and butterscotch, then you can color it yellow. And ice cream is a cold dessert. Everybody likes it. And they are of different flavors like chocolate, butterscotch or strawberry. For more information, if you want to color a chocolate ice cream, you can take brown color. If you want a butterscotch ice cream, you can color it yellow. And if you want a strawberry ice cream, you can color it pink. Thanks for watching.